In this video, we'll show you how to install your new TimberTech Advanced PVC decking boards with the top-down fastening method. These instructions will enable you to complete a standard decking design, which includes a straight pattern with deck boards extending to the edges. TimberTech Advanced PVC decking is designed for 16-inch on-center joist spans. However, a 12-inch on-center span may be used for a more rigid feel underfoot. TimberTech Advanced PVC decking is simple to install. This fully synthetic capped polymer product is easy to cut, lightweight, and easy to fasten as it requires no pre-drilling. Before installing, you'll need the TimberTech Advanced PVC decking installation guide, along with this list of tools. You'll also need your deck plan for the size, layout, and railing. Make sure that your pre-existing framing is securely attached to the house, that you have the appropriate joist spacing and blocking, and that joists are in plane across the tops. The first step is to cut your TimberTech Advanced PVC deck boards. When cutting, remember to always wear proper safety glasses. Deck boards can be easily cut with a power miter saw or an electric circular saw. However, a power miter saw will provide the best results. Cut boards one at a time with the grain facing upward. Always cut factory ends to provide a clean, square cut and finish. Do not install boards with factory end cuts. As always, remember to measure twice and cut once. For best results, don't cut boards after they have been fastened. If using a circular saw, be sure to use a saw guide to ensure a clean cut and finish. To cut around rail posts and other obstructions, a jigsaw can be used. Like other alternative decking products, TimberTech Advanced PVC decking will encounter expansion and contraction during temperature changes. While spacing between boards should be 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch, the spacing at butt joints, miters, and splices should always be tight. Do not leave a gap on any end joints. To avoid large gapping, store your decking in a cool, dry place and keep them as cool as possible during installation, especially at the time of fastening. Avoid leaving your deck boards in direct sunlight, as additional heat will extend the length of the deck board. If a board is fastened when heated, it will contract when cooled, exposing larger gaps at butt joints and edges. For best results in minimizing gapping, avoid exposing deck boards to direct sunlight. When possible, attach boards under shaded, clouded conditions. The next step is to fasten your cut TimberTech Advanced PVC deck board to your framing. A high-quality fastener, such as our top lock for advanced PVC color-matched deck fasteners, are recommended for installation, but stainless steel screws with a minimum number 7 by 2 1/4 size can be used. Nails or flathead screws should not be used. Any fastener should be tested in a sample board before using them. Start by fastening the outer edge of the plank at each joist 3/4 inch from the edge and within 1/2 inch of board ends. Install 2 fasteners per joist on each deck board. Remember, pre-drilling is not required for advanced PVC decking. This is another reason TimberTech Advanced PVC decking is easier to install than other deck boards. Fasteners should be driven a minimum of 1 1/4 inch into the joist. Drive slowly until the fastener is flush or just slightly below the surface of the deck board. Do not overdrive the fastener, and do not leave the head of the fastener sticking up. Continue installing the rest of your TimberTech Advanced PVC deck boards while maintaining a 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch space between deck boards for proper drainage. A spacing tool is recommended for even spacing and can be purchased at TimberTech.com or through your local dealer. Remember, while spacing between boards should be 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch, the spacing at butt joints, miters, and splices should always be tight. Do not leave a gap on any end joints. With your new TimberTech Advanced PVC deck boards installed, you're now ready to enjoy your new deck.